Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for February 1st of 2025 is titled Nacreous Clouds over Sweden. So what do we see here? Well, these are an unusual type of cloud that we see known as nacreous clouds. And their very distinct coloration also gives them the name of mother of pearl clouds because of their distinct range of colors that we see. Now, why do they form colors like this? Well, first, let's look at what type of clouds these are. They're a relatively rare cloud known as a polar stratospheric cloud, and they form in Earth's upper atmosphere. In fact, the lower regions of the stratosphere. Now, normally the stratosphere does not have a lot of clouds. However, in certain conditions, you can get ice crystals there and can get these very high clouds up in these regions. So these are about 20 or so kilometers above Earth's surface. Now that also means that they're visible and lit even when the sun is below the horizon. Why is that? Well, that's because even though the sun is below the horizon for those of us on the ground, for someone up in the atmosphere, the higher up you are, the further around the curvature of Earth you can see. And that allows the light to be visible. Now you see this here on Earth where you can watch the sun set. But if there is a tree nearby, you can still see the upper portions of the tree are illuminated by the sun. And that's because if you were to climb that tree, you would still be able to see the sun still sinking down below the horizon. So it is the fact that the Earth is curved and that we're seeing around the edge of the Earth when we're up higher. So that allows these clouds to be illuminated and to diffract sunlight and spread it out here, giving us all of these kind of rainbow iridescent colors that we see in the sky. Now this image was taken just a couple of weeks ago on January the 12th, when unusually cold temperatures in Sweden gave us the chance to see such clouds. So they're normally not visible. You need unusually cold temperatures in order to get these as well. And as I mentioned, they are relatively rare clouds as well. So you have to have all of those right conditions in order for them to form. So we look at all the different cloud structures that we get here on Earth, and hopefully understanding those a little bit better will also help us to understand cloud structures on other planets, because other planets with atmospheres also have clouds and would have maybe similar structures based on their own unique conditions on each of those objects. So that was our picture of the day for February 1st of 2025. It was titled Nacreous Clouds over Sweden. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Comet Disintegrates. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.